Hi, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. Where are you?
Good. I'm from the US, but I live in Germany. What about you?
Oh, geez. From India. I'm staying in India itself.
Ah, very nice. Which part of India?
It is northern part of India, south and
Ah,
north.
okay.
Yeah.
Ah, like very close? Like are you like near the border or?
Yes. Yeah, yeah. Near China,
Uh-huh. Ah,
Pakistan.
okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Very nice. Very nice. I've been to
yeah.
India. I was there for like 3 months. It was a while
Wow.
ago, but yeah.
Which part of India?
I was in Delhi, a
Okay.
lot of places in Rajasthan, like 3 or 4 places in Rajasthan. Do you know
I
Mount Abu?
which one?
Mount Mount
Yeah,
Abu, yeah. I went there and people are
yeah,
always very surprised that I was there. No tourists go
yeah.
there.
I've been there
Um,
in Delhi, and I guess all the states which comes in from north to south.
yeah, yeah. I went to
Yeah.
Goa, Mumbai,
Goa,
um, Goa, Mumbai. Yeah.
Kerala,
Um, I
Tamil
didn't
Nadu.
go to Kerala because by the time I was down there, it was summer. It was the summer there, and so it was so hot. So I didn't go further because it was just too hot.
That is very good area. If you come there,
Yeah,
there is sea, and yeah, you can do
yeah.
other.
I've heard really really amazing things about it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
actually, so many people are coming there in Goa,
Mhm.
in Kerala, because there are so many beaches. And
Mhm.
foreigners like beaches. They want to sleep there.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, you like
And I
beach?
really, yeah, I like the beach. Yeah, of course. Does anyone
You
dislike
should
the
visit it
beach?
again.
Yeah. Do you like to travel a lot within India?
Yeah, yeah. I traveled. I guess 14.
I have traveled. Yeah, I have traveled. Lovely. That's a lot.
Yeah. Oh.
I
So
think if I go back, I want to go to Kerala, but I also want to go to the northern part where like the Himalayas
you, you,
are.
sh- you should come to
Yeah.
Kerala as well as Jammu and Kashmir. This Jammu and Kashmir is so beautiful.
Is there a lot of trekking?
Snow trekking is there.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's so beautiful. It's so much greenery and yeah,
Mm.
cool place. Yeah.
What's your favorite part?
Uh, Kerala as well as Jammu and Kashmir right now because
Okay, there
I've
you
been
go.
there.
Yeah, and they're different.
But I
It's hard to.
come in the USA.
Where would you like to go in the US?
Cali. And yeah, I like that.
Yeah, it's beautiful weather. DC, oftentimes people aren't very interested in visiting DC, but
Yeah,
they
because
want to go to
I
New
heard
York,
about
California.
yeah,
Mhm.
and yeah,
Very
and
nice.
a
Yeah.
lot and LA,
Yeah, yeah.
straight to
LA.
New York
LA and New York
and
are the
Africa.
two places people mostly want to go.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, well,
So
maybe
what you
someday.
do?
Sorry, what'd you say?
I guess I said, what you do? What's your profession?
I'm a master's student, so I'm studying right now. I finish in a month.
Oh,
So excited.
wow,
Yes.
wow.
What about you?
Yeah, I'm graduating and I'm sports cricket.
I was going to say you look very American. Like your hat and your You're sure? It's very American style.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Like complimenting
I think
me.
it's the hat because many Americans wear hats a lot, which I find often other places the hats are more stylish. Like these are like sports hats, right?
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
like
it's
more
sport
sporty
hat.
hats versus exactly.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So your look is very American.
Oh, really?
You would
You also
you
look
would
so
you would fit
beautiful.
right in. Oh, thank you. You're sweet. So what do you do for work? What do you do for
For
work?
work, I'm nothing. I'm like struggling to be professional cricketer.
Oh, professionally. Oh, okay. I didn't realize that. I thought you meant like for a hobby. Okay. Wow. Oh my gosh, that must be difficult work.
Yeah, that's too difficult. Like my parents and everyone gave time. That time I had to. That's really pressurized.
What do you mean?
I mean, I have a limited time. Only within 2 years I have to reach that goal.
Okay. Yeah. Otherwise,
you know, but I'm working
yeah,
hard.
that's a lot of
I'm
pressure.
working hard.
Yeah.
I'm too much conscious about my health and fitness.
I'm
Everything.
very
Yeah,
conscious.
I'm very conscious.
Okay.
Really nice.
Too much is one of these difficult phrases in English. Too much, if you say too much
Hmm.
in English, it means like you need to stop. So
Oh,
if you say I'm too much conscious of the food I eat, it means you now need to be less conscious. Like, I went too far.
oh, okay.
Yeah. So I'm very, very
So,
conscious. It's not a bad
so
thing.
you're engaged?
Yeah. It's a very
Because
specific question.
I saw that ring.
Oh, this is my other this is just actually I got this in India. That's funny. It's just
Oh,
like
really?
a little like fox.
Oh, wow, it's so beautiful. And beautiful
Yeah, I like
lady.
it. So I have worn it. I've had it on my finger, these two, for like 5 years straight, and I never take them off unless I have to. But yeah. Yeah.
So you're
I am not married. I take it you are also not married since you're asking me.
I'm so happy to talk to you.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, where
We
can I
only have
find
a
you?
minute and a half. What do you mean, where can you find me? You can find me right here. I'm right here.
Oh, anywhere else?
Right here. No.
No, you're not using Instagram and
No,
all
I
the stuff
actually don't. I don't have social media. I don't use it. I don't like
at
it.
all.
No.
But why?
I don't like it. It's not something I want to participate in. I used to have it, but now I don't. I deleted all of it like a year ago.
How can I reach you?
And I'm free. I'm free.
Yeah, like you. But I'm trying to leave my phone and I stopped Instagram, Facebook. I deleted all those accounts.
Uh-huh. So
But
you don't have them either? What do you mean?
no, I actually that was distraction to me, so I left. Maybe I'm going to start it again.
How would you, so you asked me if I have it, but you don't have it? How would you?
But I deleted. I'm going to
Okay. Deleted it. Got it. Yeah. Yeah. It's some people like it. I just don't want to do it.
nice. I need more suggestions from you. So how could I reach you?
You can call me again on Cambly. That's the way. We have 5 seconds. Better say goodbye.
Okay, bye.
Nice to meet you. Bye.
Nice to meet you too. Bye.
You too.